Hello, my dear crafters. So here we are in our Easter 2024 series. And today I come to you with this station. It's like a stationery kit or just a fun activity kit for kids, because that's what Easter is all about. So basically what they get here is a very beautifully wrapped and decorated kit with a notebook. We have some little tiny post-it notes here, but very cute ones because kids love these things. We have a little post-it note here all wrapped and all decorated, and we have some crayons. So that's what we're going to put together today. I'm going to show you how to wrap it, how to also decorate this little tiny post-it notes here, how to use paper, the sizes. I'll give you the measurements and everything. Something very simple to make, but I want to make sure, I always want to make sure the kids, they have not just sweets to eat, but something fun to take home and to enjoy. Okay, so this is what we're going to learn today. So let's move to the tutorial. So here's all you need. I have used for these little notebooks, this is from the dollar store, from the Dollar Tree. They come in threes, so you get three, and usually they're different colors. So I just used one of them. I've already decorated it because this is personal. You can decorate whichever way you want. All I need to give you here is the dimensions for this piece of paper here, and that is, get my, okay, so 2 3/4, if you want to do the same that I did, by 4. So that's the size of this paper here. I didn't decorate the back, so I used some of these little bunnies and some eggs and just added some ephemera that I had. So that's what I use, but use whatever you have. So you decorate your little notebook, and then let's put this together, okay? So we're going to start with the crayons, because as you can see, I'm gonna put one here on the side so that you see what it looks like at the end. I'm gonna put all of this. So we need a piece of paper to just wrap it up like that. So the idea is to decorate everything and everything matches. So that's what we're going to do. So we already have this. So that's the notebook, and we're going to put that aside. This is very easy to make. Or basically what you do is we're going to get a piece of paper that is 4 inches by 1 1/4, so 4 and 1 1/4. And what I do is, to hold this in place, I use some adhesive and some dry adhesive. So let me go pick it up. So here it is, and this is just to secure it in place. So I just put a little bit of adhesive here, and you just choose the colors. I start in the middle like that, so pretty much like this, and press it down. It's just to hold it in place, just to help hold it, and make sure that it's all aligned here. And there you go. So there. So we're just going to wrap it up like this, and here we're going to use some adhesive. So now I use a stronger adhesive because you don't want it to open. And there you go. So that's pretty much the back. And you just press it down to make sure it stays in place. And I'm going to get some of my, I have some eggs here. Maybe I'll use the eggs. No, I'm gonna use the basket. I haven't used any of these baskets, and it's so cute. So I'm gonna use one of those as the decoration. So it's just a sticker, and that's it. Very easy. So that's done. We're gonna put it aside with the notebook. Next thing we're going to do is this. So this is our little, I'll have the link below. I buy it in bulk. You can buy it from the Dollar Tree, but it's actually cheaper if you buy it on Amazon. And the thing that I love is that it comes individually wrapped like this. And this is actually something that we're going to use right here because it's the perfect size. So we're going to put this aside, but we're going to use it. And we're going to just quickly wrap this just to decorate it too. So we have the piece of paper here that is for the little post-it note 4 1/4 by 2. So 4 1/4 by 2. And the way that I do this, the easiest way, so this is where the paper is loose. And what I usually do is I kind of eyeball it like this. Let me just use my lines here. I'm going to zoom in, I think, just a little bit. No, I think it's good. So I'm just use the lines here. So I kind of eyeball it. We want this to wrap. So I just go like this, press it at the bottom, wrap it, and then press it with my fingers like this to make sure that it's well aligned. And then I press it down like that, see? And you have it. It's all done. And now I'm just gonna make sure to press with my fingers. And again, I go back and I use my bone folder just to reinforce it. There 1, here's 2. Just to reinforce it and to make sure that it stays. And I also like to use my corner rounder. I'll have the link for this one because it has 3 sizes. So there we are, very easy. Again, this is the bottom and we're going. This is just really to add a decoration to your noted, and everything matches, and that's what I love about it. And you can do this. This is a great item for craft fair as well. Not just individually, but the whole kit. This is something that you can just use if you use paper that is Christmas oriented. There you go. There you go. So now let's choose our. Let's see which one I want now. I think this blue one, it's a big one. Maybe too big. Yeah. No, I think I like this one. So we're just gonna close it again with. Is this too big? No. I'm gonna choose another one. So this one here will be perfect. And there you are. You have your little post-it note all wrapped. Very cute. So that's another element here that's done. We're gonna put that aside. The last one will be the little post-it notes. This actually comes with 2 4 8, and I already cut it to use. I already used 2 here and 2 in the other one. So this is from the Dollar Tree as well, and you just cut it, and I'm going to show you how. And we're actually going to leave this as is, and we're going to use this just as a decoration. So I usually just separate it a little bit because we're going to cut through. There you go. So see, we have 2 left. And here I am going to also, let me see if it's, this is 2. I just cut a little bit off here. And I'm going to round the corners as well. It's just another details, and all these details make a difference. And here's where we use the little paper wrap that came with the post-it notes, the mini post-it note. It's actually the perfect size. It's just a coincidence, but it's a good coincidence. So we're just going to wrap it around. And there you go. I forgot to put the adhesive. So we are going to use all these stickers here. So let's choose one. This one is very nice. So again, just to close it, just add one more decoration piece. So I'm gonna get this, put it inside. I believe that's the last item. Now all we need to do, see, perfect size. I just couldn't believe it when I saw that it was the perfect size for, sometimes everything works. So we have everything now. So we have the notebook, your crayons, we have this, and it's really, really perfect. Look at that. So we have another kit. So basically what you need is a piece of paper that, oh sorry, the plastic size, the plastic bag, let me go get it because I forgot to bring it, is 5 by 7. So here it is, we have the 5 by 7, and for the top, to make this topper here, we have a piece of paper that is 5, let me just see something, yeah, 5.5 by 3 1/4, and all we need to do is just fold it in half, exactly in half here, and that's that. So we have the top, and you can round this if you want. I'm not going to, but here is what we're going to do. So make sure that the glue here is at the bottom, because we're going to actually, the top is going to be stapled here, because in case you need to make changes, you can just pull it out, because you can reopen this, okay? So that's basically what we're gonna do. So we start with the notebook. Then the second thing is the crayons. Then this. It's really amazing how this size, it's 5 by 7 again, is perfect for this. So there you go. We're going to align it. And now we're going to add these little tiny post-it notes here, and everything matches, everything. We're using like the papers that match. And now I'm gonna get this. Actually, I can just turn it like that, and I'm going to close. And then after you close, you just kind of do this so it falls to the bottom here, because you need this space here for the top. And you just kind of put the top in, make sure that it's aligned, pull it down a little more. Yeah, that's good. We're going to staple it and then decorate it. So 1, 2, and I don't like to show the staple. On the other ones, it was just a little strip of paper that I used on the top just to cover the staple. But this one, I'm going to use this. And this is actually from the Dollar Tree as well. I'm going to use a little bit of this and then a little bit of the liquid glue too. Just going to put a little bit of glue here. Right in the middle, right here. And then that is that. But use what you have, okay? Use a piece of paper, it doesn't really matter, just wanted to do something different. And I am going to add another sticker, just to match, just to make everything match. Where's my sticker thing? There you go. Put this aside. Let me see, I'm gonna use one of these big ones now. Maybe this pink one right here. And there you go, we have our beautiful kit for your kids. So that's what, you know, Easter is all about. It's all about the kids, isn't it? So I made sure to create something fun, something educational, something sweet, but all for the kids, because it's all about them. So there you are. Thank you so much for being here. Hope you enjoyed it. And yeah, let's just continue with the series. Thank you so much, and you have a great day.